Good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. My name is Sharon Hartle and I'm one of the professors and coordinators of our Master's course English for International Business and Global Affairs, known as EIBGA. First question, what is this Master? What is EIBGA? Well, it is an English-focused Master. It's run by the Department of Foreign Languages and Literatures here at the University of Verona in Italy, and it is a one-year-long course taught in English, and the teachers on this course come from a range of backgrounds, ranging from diplomats to professionals, expert professionals and expert communicators as well. What makes our course unique? Why might you be interested? Well, are you a student? Are you still studying? Have you just graduated and you'd like to specialise? Or maybe you're already at work. If you're already at work, you may want to specialise to be able to advance your career. Our course is particularly unique because it combines content, business and global affairs content, with the development of the English language skills that you need to be confident in the way you move in these fields. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, maybe it's the right course for you. I said it's a combination. This is what makes our course particularly unique. It's a combination of content and language skills. And what does that mean? Well, it means that we have some modules which are based on communication, such as professional communication skills, or perhaps mediation and negotiation. We have other modules which are content-based, so this could be web marketing, it could be European law. What makes it unique, though, as I said before, is the combination of the English language skills and the content. So just to give you an example, a recent module that we did was module 11, and this is company performance analysis. This is quite a technical subject, so the face-to-face lesson was an expert professor who gave a lesson on this content, but this is backed up by work online that is not just a deposit for materials, but that involves the learners and the course participants. They go online, they develop their language skills. So another example might be, for example, web marketing. Web marketing, the language skills that were developed were things like how to compare content, how to make the right lexical choice to communicate your message online. And then we have assignments where students either work individually or work together to do an assignment, put into practice all that they've learned, and this is then uploaded onto our main platform. So in this sense, our methodology is blended. It's a quality blend, just like a quality blend of coffee has the best coffee beans. Our quality blend has the best approaches for you to be able to develop your own knowledge and your own competence in English. And doing this, we hope, will provide you with the confidence and the know-how to go towards your future feeling more sure of yourself. So, if this sounds interesting to you, why don't you join us? The enrolments are open until the 15th of November, and the course, the next edition of the course, will start in February 2022. But don't leave it too late, because we have a maximum number of 25 students. This is to ensure that we can provide the tailor-made education and support that you might need. So that's about it from me. Hope to see you in class February 2022.